Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make cartoon photo using AI. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. ToonUp is an app that allows you to cartoonize photos using AI, and here's a general guide on how to use ToonUp to make a cartoon photo. Step 1. Go to Google Play Store on your Android device. Search for ToonUp and install the app. Step 2. Launch the ToonUp on your Android device. Step 3. Choose a cartoon that is free. Select the photo you want to cartoonize from your gallery. Tap Allow Access. Step 4. Hit Create Cartoon. Some cartoonization apps allow you to adjust settings such as intensity, brightness, and contrast. Explore the app to see if such options are available and adjust them as desired. Step 5. Tap on the Apply on the upper right corner, the check button to take effect, and save it automatically. Step 7. Once the cartoon effect is applied, you can save the cartoonized photo to your gallery or share it directly from the app. Take note, ensure you have the necessary permissions to access and edit photos on your device. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.